Hi, I'm Krista with L2L Support. Welcome to this tips and tricks video on using L2L as your inventory management system. Did you know that L2L Spares uses the FIFO or first in, first out method? I'll take you through the process. Let's assume you're logged in, and now let's navigate to Spares Inventory Control. Find a part, and note the on-hand, cost, and orders against this part. Now let's open a dispatch by going to the dispatch menu, Technician Portal. Here, find the spares card and add a spare. Now I'm going to put in a quantity and add . Now let's navigate to the spares queue. Here you will see the parts you just requested are waiting to be issued. The crib attendant would select complete from the status dropdown and close. Okay, now we have 0 on hand for that part and we need to order more. Navigate to the spares menu. Go to Order Parts, and the system automatically recognized that you need to order more. Click Order. Enter in the PO number, and if you need to update the purchase price, you can do so here. It automatically tells you that you need 8 based on your optimum from your part detail. Now save. Now, let's navigate back to Inventory Control and search for that part. Note the on-hand is back up to 8. The cost is $50. Next time you request this spare, the current cost within the part detail screen will also update to $50. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, feel free to go watch our other tips and tricks videos or reach out to us on our support site.